What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Who's ever watched me? And today we're making slime. I already got a batch starting with some soap. Put a little water in the soap. Dump the water out. We dumped a little bit of the water out. We put in some makeup in there. We got our glue. What the heck? Get mine enough now. Ooh, bro, if you've never seen this part of the glue, look at how nice this is. I've never seen that. And that's gonna slip in perfectly. So this is a slime cap. Here goes the glue. Okay, let's put some different. We put some different kind of soap in. Definitely put some different kind of soap in. Now, I don't know how we're gonna mix that glue in. Let's see what else I can put in here. Oh, I found the thing to mix it with. Some of these. Got just one for now. Hang on, guys. Hang on. Let's add this. And that's gonna be the last thing. Okay. Let's get this. I don't know how good this is. This does not even reach. Brick! I accidentally missed the trash can. Okay. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I want to put this on top of it. Just like this, you see. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shaky, 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 shaky. Definitely shaking up. Oh my god, I think I made slime, guys. It's the most disgusting looking slime you'll probably ever see in your life. Oh, it's leaking. It's not even gonna feel like slime. Oh my gosh, guys. Doesn't it look like some kind of sauce, like some kind of like A1 sauce or something? What is this? Oh, that's like the cream. We got some cream in here. Okay, I don't even think this is gonna feel like slime. Ready, guys? We're gonna put this on my hands in 1, 2, go. Oh my god, I can feel the glue. The glue is not even mixed in, man. The glue is not even mixed in. The glue is perfectly fine. What the freak, man? The glue is perfectly fine. But it's not glue, it's like slippery now. Oh my god. Don't eat glue, kids. I'm not gonna eat glue. But oh my. Wait a minute, I think I made some of this one. Oh my god, this glue smells actually amazing. Like, never mind. Nope. It went back to smell like glue. Yes, you take the smell out. You take the smell out. Oh my god, this glue doesn't even break anymore. Toxic it is. Okay, I'm gonna get that glue out because I don't think it's gonna drain. Oh my gosh, the aftermath of this is disgusting. Oh my god, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry that I'm going out of frame a lot, but look at my hands. It's so gross. Let me show you guys the aftermath. Hang on for a second. Give me some of this. Okay, thank you. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. It's on the wall. Okay, I saved it. Okay. Let me just pick up this. So let me just show you with this paper towel roll. Let me get a lip of it off. See how clean this is? See how clean this area is? This area? Oh, look now. Oh, it's all over the sink. Mix it in now. Oh, this is gross, but we did it. There we go. See you guys next time. I'm gonna close this with my nose. touch it with my hands. I'm just gonna make my screen all dirty. So bye bye.